A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. We have the match referee and both the captains in the center. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthem.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. He's not going to miss out on those. What a peach of a delivery. That could have troubled most batsmen in the world. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Up in the air. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck.
क्या आप अपनी घर या धरती के बाहर किसी भी जगह को सैटेलाइट्स के जरिए देखना चाहते हैं? यानी अगर वहां कोई कार, पेड़ या जानवर है तो आप उसे देख सकते हैं। बस इस एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करें और खोलें और तुरंत जहां चाहें वहां देखें। यह एप्लीकेशन बिल्कुल मुफ्त है। इसे डाउनलोड करें, अनुभव करें और हमें अपनी प्रतिक्रिया दें।
लाइव टीवी चैनल देखने के लिए ये एप्लीकेशन काफ़ी बेस्ट है। मैंने इसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाया तो काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला कि इसमें ये चैनल नहीं चलता, वो चैनल नहीं चलता, या ये एप्लीकेशन हमारे फ़ोन में नहीं चलता है। तो यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे सारे चैनल चल रहे हैं आपके।
Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Squeeze a single there, good running. Nailed it! Absolutely perfect throw. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Spinner brought into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Squeeze a single there, good running. Directed. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm. He didn't get any timing on that one. That's an excellent throw. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Yeah, that's very close, very close. But the umpire says not out. And he decides not to take the review. Got the man. Looks like the extra pace has done the trick. Inside edge and bowled. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. Last ball coming up. Oh, that's a very confident shout. End of the first inning won't be long before we... resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. Fielder placed at cover. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Turned away for a single. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Very good running between the wickets. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. This field set demands a very tight line and length from the bowler. Squeeze a single there, good running. Good backing up by the fielder, shows how involved he is in the game. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Ah, that's a good throw, straight into his hands.
Dodging a bullet is not just a phrase when it comes to kill shots. This mech is fast as heck.
Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. Bullseye. What a throw, flat and fast. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Shot, that's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.